Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter of Hero Honda Glamour. So I have already bought the air filter from Hero official website. As you can see, to change the air filter, first we need to remove the seat of this bike. So let's do it. It can't be done from one hand, so I have skipped to remove seat part. So in the left side of the panel, air filter is located. We have to remove these two screws. I am using tools which are provided with this bike by company. So first remove this panel. Inside this panel, air filter box is there. So let's remove this. Let's skip to the part where this is already removed. So inside this box is the air filter present. We have to remove these screws to get access to the air filter. The old air filter of this bike is very old, at least 5 year plus old. So first we have to remove it. Removing it is very easy, no tools is required. We have to just pull it from the right side and it would come out easily. So as you can see, air filter is out and the metal portion will be fit in new filter. The air box is also very dirty. We have to clean it before installation of the new air filter. But first let's compare the new air filter and old air filter, how it looks against the new air filter. As you can see, the color is very different from the old air filter. Now let's install this air filter. First we have to insert the metal part inside this air filter and then it would fit inside the bike. The metal portion could be inserted from any direction. There is no particular direction for this. And now to insert it inside the bike, we have to first insert the left side and then push the right portion inside the slot provided. Inserting this is little tough, which can't be done with single hand, so I will show you after installation. First you have to install the left portion and then you have to slide the right portion inside the slot provided. I am now skipping to the part where it is already installed. So air filter is now fit inside the box. As you can see, the metal portion is inside the slot provided. Now what we have to do is cover this portion with all the screws and then cover this portion with the panel. So replacement is done. So this is how we can change the air filter of Hero Honda Glamour, for old Hero Honda Glamour, not the new one. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like my channel, subscribe it and share this video